how to get a Lyft ride. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get a Lyft ride. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to get a Lyft ride, first you want to go ahead and open up Lyft. Make sure to enable your locations. Now since it is not available in my region, so I've just disabled it, but you should get an interface somewhat like this. So you can see where you are going right now. So you want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see the start option there. First you want to enter in your start route, so where you want to get the ride from. So you want to tap on set on map, or if you have it available, then you'll be able to use your little icon here that you can see, your location icon, the circle icon here on the right hand side of the screen. You can simply tap on it and that will be your start point, right? And then you want to simply tap on where you are going, and then you can enter in your destination. Once you do so, you should be able to see your Lyft. You can see you'll be able to select it. You want to simply tap on add payment, and you can add the payment here, and then you can go for the ride. So this way you can get a Lyft ride. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.